Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Rancilio Silvia that was brought in by Scott. The complaint was that when you turned the power on, it immediately turned itself off. The cause of this was a bad power switch. It's that fella right there. Anyway, it was repaired. I think it was actually just replaced. Yeah, those are pretty hard to repair. Nevertheless, we replaced it, fixed the power issue, and then we did a deep maintenance cleaning on this guy because it was a little dirty, Scott. Anyway, let's draw a shot because the cleaning is done, and I think you'll like what we see. It's just a single shot, but look at that. I mean, I'm really happy with it. What do you think, Scott? Not bad, huh? It's a manual machine, so you got to turn it on and off. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you like the content that we make, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out, and we make content like this all the time. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.